I am back at the farmhouse again. As you recall, I had to cut the closet door because it was too long to fit into the opening. And when you do that, you cut also the insert. So, not a surprise to me, but this thing broke off because the insert is just too thin that remained. So what I have to do is I'm gonna have to remove this insert and put in a new one. Cut a insert out of some scrap wood. I hopefully have wood that will fit, and then I'll just drill a hole in that, and then that will take care of it, hopefully. I marked where the hole used to be. Just scratched a little bit here so we can see it when it's ready to be drilled for the new hole. And surprisingly, the insert wasn't that thin. You can see that it's as thick as my finger. Maybe it's just because it flaked off and it came out. I don't know, but I'm gonna have to put a new insert in here. I think I'm gonna take the whole entire thing out here and put a brand new hole piece. I decided not to take out the entire thing because it just really not gonna give me any more support than I really need. And I'm gonna use this as a template to make the right size, but instead of making it this thickness, I'm gonna double it up, and that should be quite strong because I will be gluing it all sides and nailing it in from two sides, three sides really, so it should be strong enough to hold it. I'm going to use pine. This is a 2x1, so the thickness of this is 3/4 inches, so I will double this up and that will be just perfect for this. So I'm going to use the piece that came out of it as a template for my width. And I'm going to cut it a little longer than what this is because I did chisel off a little piece here. So I'm really going to need about, it's not going to be perfect, 3 inches. So right here, right? Well, actually I'm going to cut 6 inches of the same thickness, and that will give me 2 layers of this. Then I'm going to glue together, nail together, and then drill through. It's definitely not straight, so I'm going to try to make it straight. And then we'll go from there because it's going to be sitting in this way. So let me get my saw. Probably overcut it a little bit, and then if I have to, I can sand it off a little. So here's the first piece. I can actually just try this down for now. Yeah, it's gonna be perfect. It's just tightly goes in. Then I cut another piece just like that. I'm going to glue these together and I'm going to put them in together. So, some wood glue. I'm going to kind of face the cut sides inside. It's going to be inside of the door. And the nice finished side is going to be in the bottom. Might as well do it that way. So, this is the spread. And nice. Well, actually, it's going to go in this way, but so it doesn't matter. It's going to be the finished side anyway. Right. I'm going to glue these together. So again, just so we remember, it's going to go in this way, right? Right. And then I'm going to have to consider where the hole's going to be approximately to put it there. So I'm going to put a nail here and here. These need to stay together. Oh, I need a battery. Yep, that's gonna be good. So now I need to put glue on every side. Oh no. I'm gonna put it in this way. Okay. I glued everything correctly, I just didn't put it in right. But wait a minute. Side down. Right there. Right? Right. So hopefully I can put this in there. Let's see. flush. Side too. Okay, and just for good measure, we'll put a clamp on it. Drill the hole and put this back, and then we should be all set. I need to determine which drill bit I'm going to use to make the hole. So I still have that little piece that I took out. So let's see, that's too small. Still too small. That's probably the right size, which is 3/8. Yeah, I think that's it. So what I'm gonna do is actually, instead of starting to drill with this, I probably will start out with a small one first. Make a really small hole and then going with this so I don't crack it. We'll see how that goes. Finish drilling the hole. Put back the little piece here for the closet. And all I have to do is now just paint, fill these holes and paint them. Those are the nail holes, but the glue is set already. I'm not gonna put it up just yet. I'll do it next time I'm here, but looks good.